The experience of Jio Fiber and Jio set-top box really comes to life when combined with an LED television. So Jio Fiber customers who opt for our annual plans, which we call Jio Forever plans, will get an HD or 4K LED television and a 4K set-top box absolutely free. We are India, because of you, Jio has not only become the largest operator in India, but also the second largest operator in the world in a single country. Friends, with Jio Fiber, you get lightning fast broadband speeds of up to 1 Gbps. You get a landline phone connection at no additional cost. You get a digital set-top box that opens up unparalleled digital experiences within your home. Ultra-high definition entertainment, virtual reality content, multi-party video conferencing, voice-enabled virtual assistants, interactive gaming, home security, and many other smart home solutions. The digital possibilities are endless. And then there is television, which is still at the heart of the Indian home. Television service in India is a classic small business success story where local cable operators or LCOs played a pioneering role. In recent years, competition from DTH operators have threatened the viability of nearly 1 lakh LCOs who still operate across India. As firm supporters of local and small businesses, Jio wanted to ensure that these LCOs continue to serve their communities. Earlier this year, RIL acquired controlling stakes in 3 leading cable MSOs, Hathway, DEN, and GTPL, who have direct relationship with over 30,000 LCOs. Over the past months, we have worked with our MSOs to upgrade their infrastructure to world-class standards. After these upgrades, our LCO partners will now be able to offer the largest bouquet of high-definition channels to customers with better features, reliability, and customer experience, better even than DTH. But now we have gone one step further. We have designed a Jio set-top box to accept the broadcast cable TV signals from our LCO partners, so that from now, every Jio Fiber home, our LCO partners will have access and will continue to have a steady stream of revenue for their broadcast TV business. We look forward to extending this partnership to all the local cable operators across the country.
Can we also mirror the Jio set-top box onto the large screen, please? Thank you.
There we go. Let's try to run a speed test. And the speed test should be starting, and there we go.
Wow.
And it has reached 1 Gbps. Delivered as promised. Today, we will use our time with you to show you some of the services that will truly be unique with speeds like this. Services that will hopefully convince you that the future is indeed here.
During the last AGM, we demonstrated a one-to-one video calling feature on our set-top box. Today, it's one of our most popular features on the Jio network. 10 crore Indians users make video calls every month on Jio.
And we have worked hard to make this feature even better. And today, we want to introduce to you the very first video conferencing solution for Indian homes.
With this, you can make video calls from your TV screen and conduct multi-party video conferences all from your home.
I'm going to connect 4 people at different locations using the Jio set-top box and a USB camera attached to this TV.
Kiran, I'm waiting to see your reaction.
Oh, wow.
Kiran, there's a surprise for you now.
Oh, wow, phenomenal.
Hi, everyone.
Wow, it's a pleasant surprise. Nice to meet all of you. Actually, on screen, I can see my family, my wife Minu, my son Thomas, and my daughter Tara all sitting there. How are you? Well, I hope you're not nervous, Thomas. There are thousands of people sitting here looking at you. So why don't you say hello?
I'm not nervous. Hi, everyone.
That's good, that's good.
Appa, are you nervous?
Okay, I'll talk to you later about that. I can also see my friend who is currently in New Jersey, I think. He's my classmate from school, Subhashish. Hi, how are you, Subhashish? Looks like you are relaxing at home after a great weekend.
Hi, Kiran. Good to see you. Well, you know how it is. A long, exciting weekend. But hey, it looks like you guys are having way more fun out there.
Of course, of course. After all, we work for Jio. And I can also see my old family friend, Patak ji, who is always, I don't know, traveling somewhere or the other all the time. Kahan pe ho, Patak ji?
Arey Kiran bhai, don't ask. It's been a crazy week. Too much of travel. Fortunately, I was able to connect to your TV from the tablet.
Yeah, that's great. I think we have that feature. So nice meeting all of you. I think, as you can see, we are a little bit caught up here. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye.
See you, bye.
Bye to you all. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Wasn't that entirely seamless and so efficient?
Yeah, this is a truly unique solution. And this solution is unique because it's device agnostic. Kiran's family was connected at their home using our Jio set-top box. Kiran's classmate from New York joined us from using his laptop, and Kiran's friend was using a mobile phone to join the conference.
This service is interoperable between devices, including the TV at your home. And best of all, you can video conference with anyone, anywhere in the world for absolutely free.
Spending thousands of rupees on video conferencing setups are now history. Plus, now we can do it at the comfort of our homes.
Absolutely. It is the first of its kind home video calling and conferencing solution in India. And this will bring your loved ones even closer to you than ever before.
Let's now talk a little bit about the Jio setup box. This is a box full of magic. It has hundreds of features and services inside it, like video calling and conferencing, voice search, unlimited premium content, and a console-like gaming experience.
With this, we're launching India's first multiplayer online network. This will be at par with the leading gaming platforms globally. To showcase the power of this network, I want to play a game of FIFA versus a friend of mine, Tarun. And he's in Delhi currently, so I'm going to take a little minute to connect with him and start my game of FIFA whilst Kiran and Isha walk you through the features.
So whilst Akash connects, let us tell you a little bit about the Jio setup box. First, the Jio setup box supports almost all gaming controllers and through a soft controller on your smartphone. Second, the gaming graphics on Jio setup box are at par with the best in the world. And third, It also supports gameplay in 4K.
And not only can you do multiplayer gaming from anywhere in the country, you can also do social gaming, where all your friends can join via video conference and enjoy gaming together virtually. And the biggest highlight is that with JioFiber, gamers will get a much desired zero latency gaming experience.
Perfect timing. I'm ready. I've selected Arsenal and Tarun has chosen Manchester United. I not only get to play my favorite game at the AGM, but I also get to showcase to you what it will exactly look like when you play zero latency online gaming with anywhere in India and the graphics card that we have enjoyed.
Okay,
I'm going to try and score a goal as soon as I can.
Oh, there you go.
And there we go.
Wow.
It's a goal in the very first minute.
Thank you. I'm going to quit when I'm ahead. Thank you.
That's great.
Of course, we will have all of the top-of-chart games from leading game publishers like Tencent, Gameloft, Microsoft, and many more.
Now, we're excited to show you a truly futuristic feature. You may move the TV back. This device is really one out of the future. Can I request Isha to give an explanation about it?
Augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR are truly powerful technologies. And then we have mixed reality or MR, which is a hybrid of AR and VR. JioFiber is completely mixed reality capable.
With Tesseract, a leading mixed reality startup that Jio has invested in, we will show you how MR supported by JioFiber will transform our lives with 3 specific use cases: shopping, education, and entertainment. Let's wear our MR headsets.
Oh, thank you.
Can we also have one of our headsets mirrored on the screen, please, so the audience can see what we're viewing? Perfect, thank you.
MR has hundreds of use cases, but let's explore shopping first.
To begin with, let's bring onto stage some of the clothes Akash would like to shop for. Perhaps formal wear? Yep.
Isha, online shopping always leaves me a bit confused. I never know how it will actually fit or what color will really look like. But today, we have something truly game-changing. A 3D hologram that Jio has developed in our own MR lab. Let me load my hologram to show just one such use case today.
Wow.
I can finally see which shirt color suits me best and which one I know will select. Maybe not this green one, maybe next.
Yeah, I think the red one suits you best. Maybe we should buy that.
Okay, great. I'll just put it into my cart and I'm sure I'll deliver home soon. There we go.
And there we go, the shirt is in the cart.
Now that's what you call an immersive shopping experience, right in the comfort of your home. Let's now move on to a second use case, education.
With JioMR, we can take learning to a whole new era of interactivity. Everything we study, we will now be able to experience in all 3 dimensions, something we never had when at least I was in school.
The use of MR in education will increase the level of engagement and understanding in students and can be applied to all disciplines.
One of my favorite modules in school was learning about the solar system. Today, I want to show you how we can learn the simple equation of time, speed, and distance in the context of our solar system. Let me bring up our solar system onto our screen. Yep. And that's our solar system. The blue dot is the Earth. From this distance, it looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.
Can you calculate the time taken for Chandrayaan to travel from Earth to the Moon?
The simplest way to do that would be to use the time-distance equation, where time equals distance between the Earth and the Moon divided by the speed at which Chandrayaan travels. But as we can see using this incredibly powerful visual aid, the distance is not a straight path. The spaceship actually curves around the planet. So calculating this would be slightly more complex. But it becomes so easy to understand when you see it in all 3 dimensions. By the way, seeing it like this really makes you appreciate the immense complexity of actually reaching the moon. So let us give a big round of applause to ISRO's all-women team of Chandrayaan.
Guys, that reminds me, did you know that the amount of fiber laid by Jio can actually circle the Earth 11 times?
That's incredible. And this technology and content is powered by yet another startup that Jio has invested in, Embibe, an AI-powered learning platform. Now, let us move to the third and final MR feature that we're going to showcase tonight. Entertainment in mixed reality.
Now this is my favorite. The larger the size of the screen, the more fun it is to watch your favorite content. So what if we could experience a movie as if we were in a large home theater, simply by wearing our MR headset? To show you what I mean, let me play one of the most popular movies that we have from Jio Cinema.
जहां तक सूरज की रोशनी फैली है, वो सारी रियासत हमारी है। एक बादशाह की हुकूमत।
So Isha, what do you think?
It's great, but what would make it even more captivating is if we could have the experience of a theater-side screen.
Wait a second, Isha, it's possible. After all, we have an MR headset. In our headsets, we can actually watch the same movie as if we are sitting in a large screen theater. Let's try this.
सूरज की तरह चढ़ती और ढलती है। एक दिन हमारी हुकूमत का सूरज भी ढलेगा और सवेरा रोशन होगा तुम्हारी हुकूमत से। याद रखना।
It's like you're sitting in a real cinema hall, isn't it?
Unbelievable.
महाराष्ट्र आणि देश विदेशातील बातम्या पाहण्यासाठी समाजशील न्यूज चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि मित्रांसोबत शेअर करा।